Hello students, how are you? Welcome to the Diya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra and I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for standard 3rd and our topic name is dialogue. Okay, now pay attention over here. I am starting the lecture. See, what is the topic name? That is dialogue. Dialogue means what? Anyone have an idea? What is mean by dialogue? What comes in your mind when you understand when you listen to this word? Yes, that is with conversation. Yes, it means as similar as conversation. Now see, a dialogue is a talk between two or more people. Dialogue means what? This is a talk or communication. COMMUNACITION. Communication or conversation. Conversation between with two or more people. Means what? Means what? A dialogue. Means what? Dialogue. If you read a word like communication, conversation, talk, or dialogue, meaning is same. Understood? Now see. When people speak with each other, we write their words as a dialogue in stories or play books. Plays or books. Plays means not to play. That play is different. Plays means like a drama. Okay. Now see where you have this dialogue that is into stories, plays, books. Okay. Now next. Let's see a short dialogue between two friends. There are two friends named Amit and Riya. Both are friends. What did Amit say? Hi Riya, how are you? And what Riya replied? I am good Amit. What? How about you? What she said? Riya said, I am good Amit. Hi, how about you? What she said? I am good, Amit. How about you? Now see, Amit said, I am fine too. Are you coming to the uh, picnic? What he asked? I am fine too. Are you coming to picnic? Riya said, ah yes, I am very excited. See now, pay attention over here. What is the dialogue? And between this is in between two friends. Friend number one is Amit, and friend number two is Riya. Amit and Riya are two friends. Okay. Friends. Now see students, what they are communicating. They are communicating regarding picnic. What is the topic? Topic is picnic. What is topic? Topic is picnic. Now see what Amit say. Hi Riya, how are you? Riya said, I am good. How about you? Means what she asked. How are you? Right? I am fine too. What Amit said? I am fine too. Are you coming to the picnic? Riya said, yes, I am very excited to come to picnic. Understood? Come to the picnic. Now see, we will see the key factors of a dialogue. What are the factors and what is its explanation? Factor means what? And speaker name. Over here, see. Speaker name is Amit and Riya. This Two are speaker name. These both are speaker name. And what is that? Name. Each other line starts with the speaker's name. Now see over here. He, see. Amit what said? Hi Ria. What Ria said? Hi Amit. Right? This is what? Name each other starts with the speaker's name. What is that explanation of speaker name? Means what? Name each line starts. See, this line is starting over here. Now this is so much confusion. I will clear this first so you can understand what I am trying to explain. Now see, everyone, is this clear? Yes. Now see, this conversation start over here. See, every line has contained the speaker's name. Understood? Now, quotation mark. The spoken words are written in inside quotation mark. That turns each person speaks on at a time, one at a time, used in a story, drama, comics, and conversation. Now see over here. Now see, this is a dialogue. Okay, every have some quotation mark. Quotation mark. Now next we will take why dialogue are important. Why the dialogue are important? Help us know what people are saying. Help us to know what people are saying. Make the story fun and interesting. What it's make? Story fun, interesting. Show how characters feel and think. Show how characters and feel and think. Now see, quick check dialogues or not. Okay. Hello mom, I am home. The cat is on the mat. Now see, you see here a quotation mark. This is what? This is a dialogue example. Now see, another is the cat is on the mat. Does this have any quotation mark? No. This is not a dialogue. Now another. Ravi, can I borrow your pencil? What Ravi asked. What is Ravi asking? Can I borrow your pencil? This is written into convection mark. So this is the right answer. It was a sunny day. Does this have any marks? Convection marks? No. Quotation marks? No. So this is not a right answer. Understood, students? This is the way you have to identify. Now, next we will take a dialogue conversation. So pay attention over here. The conversation takes place in the park. Where is the conversation is happening? This is in the park. At the park. Now listen carefully. Ria, Meena, two people. People. How many people? There are two people. They are communicating with each other. Now see what did the Ria started the conversation with. Hello Meena, what are you doing here? What Meena says? Meena says, hi Ria, I came to play on the swings. Ria said, I came. This is not come. This is a came. I came to play swings. Swings means what? In Marathi we called a jhoka. Understood? Now see, What Riya says, that's great. Can I join you? What Riya asks, that's great. Can I join you? So what Meena reply on it? Of course, let's play together. What she says, of course, why not? You should join me. So what she said, of course, let's play together. Now, Priya, yeah, this will be so much fun. This will be so much fun. And last is Meena, yes, let's enjoy our evening. What she says? Yes, let's enjoy our evening. Now see, this is the dialogue. And where it's happening? It's happening in the park. Okay. Now see, I will clear this first so it will be easy to us while finding the answer. Just a second, students. See now. Next is what is our favorite part, that is MCQ. Now see, who did Riya met in the park? Raju, Meena, Anu, her brother. What is the answer? Answer is C. Riya met to Meena. So answer is Meena. Why did Meena come to the park? To eat ice cream, to meet Riya, to play on the swings, to read a book. The answer is to play on the swings. Now next, what did Riya ask Meena? If she had lunch, if she can play with her, if she wants to go home, if she is studying. See, what is that? Can join us. So of course to play together. Means what? This is related to answer. If she can play with her. What she replied on that? Yes, of course. So what she is asking? Can you play with her? If she said can play with her is the correct option. Who did Meena respond to Ria's request? How did? She said no. She ignored her. She said yes. She went home. What is the correct option? She said yes. What she said? She said yes. Now, what did the girl plan to do together? What is that? Do homework, eat food, watch TV, play and enjoy. What did decide? To enjoy the evening. Right? What did decide? Enjoy the evening. So you have to find the answer related. The answer is play and enjoy. Understood how to find? Now see. Dialogue number 2 at the school library. This is the conversation at library between Rahul Sneha. Who are involved in this conversation? The two people. People first is the person name is Rahul and second person is Sneha. Right, now listen carefully what I am saying. Rahul, what he said first. Hello Sneha, are you reading a storybook? What Sneha said? Yes Rahul, it's a book about animals. What she said? Yes Rahul, it's book about animal. Rahul said, that sounds interesting. May I read after you? Sneha said, sure, I will give it to you when I finish. When I finish, I will give you. Okay. Now Rahul says, thank you, Sneha. You are very kind. Sneha says, you're welcome, Rahul. Now see, how the way I am reading, you have to read in that way. Okay, see, again I am reading this. See, look at the passage. Everyone can see the passage. So I'm little bit, I will stand over here so you can read also. Okay, everyone clear? Yes. So what is the dialogue? The dialogue into the library. At the school library. Okay. Now see. Rahul, what the Rahul says? Rahul says, hello Sneha, are you reading a storybook? Sneha, what she said? Yes, Rahul, it's a book about animal. Rahul, that sound interesting. May I read it after you? Sneha, sure, I will give it to you when I finish. Rahul, thank you, Sneha. You are very kind, Sneha. You're welcome, Rahul. Yes, understood. This way you have to read the dialogue. Now see our favorite part, that is MCQ. Where are Rahul and Sneha talking? Where they are talking? At the park, at the school, at the home, in the library. The answer is in the library. What kind of book is Sneha reading? A comic book, a book about animal, a fairy tale, a science book. A fairy tale means what? Regarding to Barbie. Barbies. Understood? Now see, the book is regarding to animal. Do we have that option? Yes, a book about animal. Understood? See, what does Rahul ask Sneha? To come home to play if he can read the book later if she like dancing. Now see, over here, what Rahul asked? May I read it after you? So, which one is related? He can read the book, letter is related. So, answer is if he can read the book, letter. Now, how does Sneha respond? She says no, she runs away. She says yes, she keeps silent. Silent, sorry. She keeps silent. So, what is the answer? Sure means yes. As similar as yes. She says yes. This way you have to find. Now see, what does Rahul say to Sneha? You are rude. You are very kind. You are late. You are funny. What he says? You are kind. So, do we have that option? Of course, we do. So, you are very kind. This is the answer. Okay. Now, students, keep practicing and thank you so much.